how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today, this design, line twisting, one balloon figurine. Yep, keep it there in mind. Practice this. It's a very easy, cute technique. Comes with just, you see, I'm going crazy with techniques and ideas and them going in circles. And I know I like to go to the easiest basic because it's a good idea. Go back, come back, go elaborate it, go crazy, complicate your life, and then resolve it. And it was so simple. You have the whole answer as you probably born. But it's cool, the process. The process is fun. Sometimes we kind of go crazy, but then you go back and get it simple, you know, don't stress much. Now let's do this. It's a one balloon design, and it came because I was having a kind of a cool idea, the technique, the ears can be for a kitty cat when I was doing a Pokemon, I think, tutorial. And then that concept, I was keeping it, thinking, okay, for another design, then I was thinking that pushing a cat is pushing, it's a cute cat, kind of QY style, but then gray, and it's like, this looks more like a monkey. Okay, let's go and do the monkey then. And this monkey was the first one, and then I was like, okay, got it, let's keep trying. And bang, look at this cute monkey concept, one balloon design. And in the Spanish version, we can even add stickers. So that is the introduction. Create also these, take ideas, what else you can add, maybe flower petals, you have it ready and give it away. My goal is with this, have this line of super line twisting for events, for example, that you want to do for tips. Sometimes when you work for places just for tips, well, you have to always kind of like have the concept, okay, with one balloon, it would be a good idea. So that way you can compensate the cost of your balloon and also have some profit so you can get more balloons. So when you are just starting, these designs can be a good idea. Then when you already have a lot of experience making these, you can always add in more details. Be part of a hat, be on a wand, be on a bracelet, balloon, flower, you know, it can be holding something. But it's just one piece that I think it can be a classic one as a one balloon dog. This is the one balloon monkey. A lot of variations, yes. Do the variations. And don't forget, please share it. Share your ideas. And share it so then everybody can have, because I'm 100% sure that your ideas may be very similar to other people's ideas, and we can have a lot of things in common. That's why probably we kind of enjoy sometimes when you're watching other people making balloons. It's like you enjoy to see those kind of ideas, common ideas, and have some variations, and then you can also add some more variations. That is the beautiful thing about this art, and that's how I think it's going to be growing more. When I go to balloon conventions, and it's not like I've been in many, but the one I love, it's Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention. And there I see beautiful, amazing balloon artists, and I admire because I get excited to see, oh man, this is kind of like the way I twist balloons too, and the ideas and it makes me happy and excited that we have very similar ideas. And then we sometimes do some little variations, and we all share. It's a very powerful kind of practice that it can make an art much better, and or a hobby, or this, you know, type of expression, balloon twisting, even bigger. So be around, you know, nice people willing to share. It's beautiful. That's what I recommend you. Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention, my favorite balloon convention, because everybody's super nice, friendly, and they're there to share and also to learn. They give you the time. Like when I'm there, really, I think sometimes I have this YouTube channel and I am so open to all my ideas or whatever. I'm sharing everything here that when I'm there, I don't know what can I share, you know, like I already share it. But I have to understand not everybody, of course, have to be watching this video. So then there's always maybe I can, you know, share with people. But then there, I love to see, you know, others, you know, express and share with me whatever they discover or whatever they like to twist. And it's always amazing. That's what I have this wonderful connection with Joe Mock. It's a very cool balloon twister. And that's how I enjoy to see him twisting. It's like, And the same when I see Sam, you know, from Canada, and other balloon twisters. It's like many balloon twisters that are really cool and nice, and I enjoy. Cecilia, the intro is too long. I'm sorry, this line twisting. Okay, man, I try. I say, Cecilia, this time your video is gonna be 10 minutes. No, but I try. No, I don't even try. I don't know. I forgot. Okay, one balloon. Inflate it halfway. It's like inflate it. 9-finger tail. Perfect. Tied it back. Tied it. And leave a tip. Why not? Leave it. Leave a tip. 1 finger. Perfect. If you are just starting, 2-finger tail is going to be easier for you. Yes. Cecilia don't say anything, just twist. That's what is in my mind, okay? But then also, my mind is saying, Cecilia, you have a lot of, like feelings, and share it. And so I'm in this like, battle. It's a battle in there. Because I have some things that when I'm, this is a very cool routine, okay? It's before I come here to create a tutorial for everybody and share it, I think it's a good idea, kind of like exercise. Have a routine. I have a routine, and it's not boring. Actually, it's practical, and it can be moments, especially that I feel makes me feel better. Stress, too many crazy ideas. There's no order there, and I'm start getting, like absorbing, and I don't feel good. I'm run, sweat. Things are getting better because a lot of things are out of your control. So just let it be. And eventually, things will go or not. You just already let it be. And really worked because I'm here. And now I was thinking, Cecilia, now make it short. But you know what? There is one more important rule that is here, higher. And it's enjoy it. So I enjoyed all this. That's what is still going on. What is the main reason I'm doing this? I'm enjoying it. Stress coming to this concept that I'm here in this YouTube channel, like, no. What is the main basic things I'm here making tutorials? I enjoy it. Okay, let's do this. Play the balloon. 9-finger tail. 6-finger long, or 4 or 5, whatever. Something like this, look. Okay, 4 or 5-finger long. Repeat, 4 or 5-finger long. Twist it together. Twist, and lock. That's what you want. A long tip. Not just for that. You will see in a moment. Then you are here. This will go down. Okay. So if you know this is gonna go down, make sure then this balloon is up. So you just kind of like twist it there. So you have something like this. This gonna go down in a moment and go actually be in the middle. It's gonna make things easier. So it looks better. But now keep going. Something like soft and squishable, 2.5-finger bubble. Okay, then 3-finger bubble, and then 2.5-finger bubble, soft and squishable. Why is it soft and squishable? Because these ones to the sides are gonna be pinch twist pretty soon. Now, when you are here, connect and squish well, twist, squish and twist, and now get it all the way to the middle, and grab the nozzle to the other side, and kind of connect there in the middle. Is this like similar to Hello Kitty design that I've been sharing before? Yep, very similar. Grab it there, pass it through one time, and it can be, you can say, okay, Cecilia, I think it's gonna be locked. Sometimes I'm this kind of person that just in case I'm gonna squish more and tie it one time. Doesn't have to be too much crazy tight. Just one time there. That's it. Leave it there. It's more locked there. Now when you are here, you still have all this. Look, what? It's jumping, this crazy monkey. You have all this. What to do with this? Well, you're gonna make 2.5-finger bubble or 3. Wherever is this bubble. 2.5 or 3. And make another one the same size, and then one small finger bubble, and then another one like almost 3-finger bubble, and then another one almost 3-finger bubble. Twist all this together. Yep. Why is it this way? I think it's much easier because look, when you are here, you're gonna grab this little bubble here, the little bubble, make it a pinch twist. 2 pinch twist. Doesn't have to be that super twisted many times. Just 1, 2. Then let me twist. You are like this. Look, you have this. You have this. Measure something like the belly. That it's gonna be probably what 4-finger bubble, something like 4-finger bubble or 3.5. And then you are now in the back. Look, it's kind of like, oh, interesting. Because in the back, look, empty space. What to do with that empty space? Hey, everybody. Just a little break here to invite you, all of you, to like, comment, subscribe, and considering to become an exclusive member of this awesome YouTube channel. There is 2 memberships. Hey, everybody, and good vibes. That way, you're going to be supporting and helping a lot this YouTube channel to keep growing and sharing all these awesome tutorials for everybody that love balloon twisting. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Keep watching. I'm going to make 2 little pinch twists with whatever is left over, and then the rest is going to be squishing inside with the booty, because those are the 2 pinch twists, and then the rest is going to be the tail. So that is going to be the design. So fun and cool, right? Like, okay, let's do this. 1 little pinch bubble. You can squish it now if you want. And it's like, Cecilia, do you need to make the booty? Maybe you can avoid that and still looking good. You just put it there, and you know what? It's a representation that, but it's a cool fun party, and you still have balloons. And you take a moment, but it's also a way to practice your pinch twist, maybe no. If this is another thing that you decide, okay? You decide. Okay, now you have this, it goes like this. Then I'm gonna squeeze it inside. I open it a little bit, the booty is there, stuff in there. Open it. And okay, when they are here, I have the tail. I look at in front, you don't see, but I'm front, and then I kind of define the tail to the side, or make it a little wrinkle there, a little look. It's soft and squishable. Give it a shape, give it a hit, and leave it there. Okay, Cecilia, I mean, I see it's cute, the body. This part, what happened? Make a pinch twist in each side. That's it. Grab it, measure the middle, pull, make it a twist. You have 1 ear, the same the other side. Grab the connection here and the connection here. Squish, pull, and twist. Things doesn't have to be perfect. We're trying to do our best. Okay, that is the whole idea. And look at this. Ah, so cute. It's so cute. It's adorable. Cecilia, I mean, this doesn't look too original. You know what? For me, it's the original part is the process. I'm sharing with you the process, what things came into right now, this tutorial, this moment. You and me, this moment. I think that is the whole process. I love it. I enjoy it, and I find it in some way, you know, original, baby, because this is the feeling I'm feeling right now. That's what I feel. Just enjoy it, okay? Let's now Cecilia, this bubble, it's kind of like, it's necessary. Maybe, you know, maybe no. Maybe it's not necessary. But what I did that, because it helped me at the beginning to attach these arms, this belly, I mean. So then, maybe think, Cecilia, but maybe don't do it. And then see, okay, I'm going to do that in this video, just so then we'll see it works or not, without or with this. Let's do that. But now, first, sticker time or Sharpie time, whatever you want. Stickers, all is gonna save you time, but if it's gonna work, well, find good stickers. You find. I have to confess, this one doesn't really convince me. Okay, it's very cheap. It doesn't really convince me, but you have to use it, right? So eventually, if you're gonna do a charity event and you're gonna make a lot of these designs, you can use it. And so that way we use something, right? Don't you think? Or this one, try eyes like that. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna add here. I see these eyes. I'm gonna choose this time a sticker time. And there's better stickers, Cecilia. Of course, there's better stickers. But I wanna just, you know, just show you that doesn't have to be sometimes the best of the best things that you like. But also, you practice, let it be. It's not a big deal, right? We're enjoying this moment. That's the whole good therapy about balloon twisting. Or not, don't you think? I don't know. I love that thanks to this YouTube channel, I have the chance to meet awesome people. And that is great because it's in some way a filter. If you kind of find this YouTube channel something good, thank you so much. Probably you are enjoying also that craziness part that we all probably have. And we let it be, we let it go, we let it show. Okay, it's a moment to show too. Okay, this is the design. The bracelet. Okay, practice, Cecilia. Fast. One balloon. Monkey. I know how to make a monkey. And I'm like, yes, I want a monkey. Okay, I'm going to show one of my very cute monkeys. I just start making it. And look, it starts just like this. Yep, I am making it for you right now. I'm like, yeah, I want a monkey, but I want a monkey to be pink. Okay, well, the next one, I may make it pink, okay? Because this is so fast and so cute that probably you can have 2 monkeys. One brown and one pink. That's what I can say. Oh, yes, kids get excited. And you know it's going to be 2 balloons, so. Okay, right? Unless you don't want it. Now, I have to remember, here, Cecilia, you say you're not going to do those pinch twists in the front. But I'm going to make the booty. So no matter what, I'm going to have to make a pinch twist there. Like, okay, Cecilia, I see. La 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 la. Doesn't take much time, guys. Love it. Now, look at this. It's even better, don't you think? What do you think? It is better? Maybe with Sharpie time is even better. If I had to go first, what I think, really, I think it's better with Sharpie time for me. Okay? But, is that a rule? It is not. Just do it. No. Yeah, okay. That's doing some Sharpie time. Those Sharpie time for nothing takes your time, right? You're making something cute. See that eye? It's like, okay, you can make it better. Okay, what can make it better? Maybe an extra dot. Maybe yes, maybe no. You tell me. What do you think? Have a wonderful day, everybody. Thank you so much for your patience and goodbye. Sticker time? You think? Well, if it's Halloween season, put Halloween season stickers. If it's, for example, right now, I feel it, I have hearts and are green. It's not like I use it a lot. But maybe on a monkey, he loved the jungle, he loved the forest, he loved trees, he loved green. That he have his heart green right there in the center. It's an idea. And also what I'm trying is to find some excuses why to use things that I really don't want to be wasted, right? I don't think, I don't use green sticker for nothing. Yeah, this monkey loves his green. Yeah. Okie dokie. Have a wonderful day. Good vibes to everybody. Thank you so much. Keep being very nice and gentle. Like a lot of you, I think, have this. And it's a sensibility that, you know, we have to cultivate. It's not like happen from, maybe when you're born and you're so sweet, you're a baby. But eventually, you know, we start to know practice to be nice and gentle, be kind. Why not? And it feels good. Yes, we just have to be practicing. Okie dokie. Cecilia, what happened today? What happened? I'm intense, but in a good way, happy. Just want things to have, you know, this way. I think I need it, and that's what I'm doing, this craziness right now, because I need it, and I'm enjoying it, and that's it. Have a wonderful day, and ciao, ciao.